I'm studying 9th standard. Today news. Today's important. National Music Day. International news. A massive solar storm has hit at the NASA warns of a communication disturbance. General elections in Bangladesh are scheduled to be held on February 12th next year. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a phone call with the US President Donald Trump yesterday on various issues, such as jet fires. Chief Faida Hamid to 14 years in prison on unacknowledged charges. Japan has announced a new AI artificial intelligence security regulatory framework to minority advanced autonomous systems globally. National news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Ethiopia and Oman from 15th to 18th of this month. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari said that Indian emissions have been reduced by building 20% ethanol in fuel. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the first Indonesian hydrogen-powered boat on the Ganges in the Varanasi yesterday. The central government will organize a public issues resolve week across the country from 19th to 25th of this month. State news. CM Chandrababu Naidu will lay the foundation stone of 9 IT companies, including in Vizag today. The preliminary design report of Visakhapatnam Metro Rail has been approved for the next impression frame. Minister Pamanansi said that the bill to recognize Amaravati as the permanent capital with it tabled in the parliament soon. The state government has appointed a committee on employee health cards. A breast milk banks will set up at the Vizag KGF soon. AP has stood first in the jail sanction Jain Bhagidari project to protect water resources in villages. The state is saying the center to recognize Amaravati as the new official capital of the state from July 2024. Sport news. In cricket, India lost to South Africa in the second T20 match in Chhattisgarh. Germany won the 2025 Junior Men's Hockey World Cup by defeating Spain in a shootout. Weather news. Doctors have said that the people should be careful of health problems as temperatures in the state are dropping significantly. Today's good word. If we put aside luxurious and focus only on the necessities, we will able to sustain our financial health tips. According to Ayurveda, consuming health honey daily prevents forgetfulness. Today GK question. Which Indian city is known as the city of these 1,000 temples? I repeated, which Indian city is known as the city of these 1,000 temples? The answer is Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Thank you.